So you wake up, check the news, and see that the market has crashed. Billions of rupees are gone. But let's be real. Where does that money actually go? Does it just vanish into thin air? Actually, it's a bit of mind game. Think of a fruit market. If you have a 10,000 apples and the price drops from 100 to 80 rupees, you lost 2 lakhs, but the apples are still there. That loss was never a real cash. It was just an expectation. It's what we call a paper loss. The only way you actually lose your hard earned money is if you get scared and sell at that low price. While everyone else is panicking, short sellers are actually making a killing. They borrow shares to sell them high and buy them back once they are cheap. They basically turn the crash into profit. Look at the history. In 2008 2020, every single crash was followed by a massive bull run. So when the market dips, don't stop your SIPs. It's not a disaster, it's just a sale. Stay patient and keep your head cool.